Hello, welcome back to Dimple's in Arabian Journey, sharing recipes every Sundays and on Thursdays. Please don't forget to subscribe us and stay connected by hitting onto the bell icon for all the further notification. And today's unique recipe out of the box is masala chicken sausages. Quick and easy, spicy sausages with an Indian twist to it. So let us have a look onto the main ingredient, please. So all we need is 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. And then we need 1 tablespoon of haldi, that is turmeric, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of mustard and 1 tablespoon of cumin seed, 1 tablespoon of finely crushed pepper powder and salt as per your taste, 1/4 cup of oil, and 2 tomatoes roughly chopped, medium size, and 3 onions finely chopped. Also we need is 2 packets of fresh sausages. You can also go for frozen one. Cut them accordingly, any shape or any size as per your preferences. And in a hot pan, just add the oil, 1/4 cup of oil. Then goes the mustard and the cumin, that is zira. Let them splutter. You can add the pepper, 1 bay leaf, it's optional though, and onion. Just give it a quick mix. Please add salt so that it gets caramelized. Our onion gets caramelized and turns translucent. Just give it a quick mix for 2 minutes. Post the onion gets translucent, you can add the haldi, that is turmeric, and then goes the garam masala powder, the red chili powder, and give it a quick mix so that you can just get rid of all the spices and the raw textures of the masala. And then you can add the ginger garlic paste. Again, you need to just give it a quick mix for 30 seconds. To get rid of all the raw texture, please add water, like 2 tablespoons of water. Now please add the roughly chopped tomatoes, 2 tomatoes medium size, and just give it a quick mix. Simmer and cook them for good 5 minutes. After you saute them well, you can just cover cook them for next 5 minutes. As you could see, the tomatoes have been softened, cooked to perfect, and now you can add your sausages. Fresh or frozen, your choice. Well, here I'm using the fresh sausages. Slowly you can just mix them gently. Be patient. Post you coat all the sausages with all the masala, you can just add 1 teaspoon of salt, or you can just completely entirely skip that. And post you add and sprinkle the salt, you can just cover cook them for next 10 minutes. Now you can just see a visible change in the size and the texture of the sausages. It's cooked to perfect. Switch off the flame. Our masala sausages has been perfectly done, perfectly cooked. Now you can just sprinkle some coriander leaves, which actually add in the more Indian texture and the taste to it. So don't miss on this. Serve them hot with some warm bread and enjoy. Please do have a look onto the description box for many more interesting recipes. Thanks for watching Dimples in Arabian Journey. Stay connected.